We're explaining how to resolve the action blocked by disabled mode error in MS Access 2007 during SQL data migration. This frustrating error prevents you from performing actions like running queries or updating data, effectively halting your migration process. The core issue is Access's security settings, specifically its disabled mode, which restricts certain actions to protect your system from malicious code. To overcome this, you need to enable the necessary access features. Here's how. 1. Identify the source of the error. Before jumping into solutions, precisely pinpoint where the error occurs. Is it during a specific query, import operation, or macro execution? Note the exact error message, as it might provide additional clues. 2. Enable the database. The most common solution is enabling the database. Open your Access database. If you see a security warning message bar at the top stating, "This database has been opened in protected view," click the Enable Content or similar button. This will enable macros and other potentially risky content that might be necessary for your data migration tasks. Remember, only do this if you trust the source of the database. 3. Check the security settings. If enabling the database doesn't solve the problem, you might need to delve deeper into Access's Trust Center settings. Go to the File tab, then Options, and select Trust Center. In the Trust Center, click on Trust Center Settings. Under Macro Settings, ensure that at least Enable All Macros is selected. However, only do this if you're completely certain that the database and any related macros are safe. A more controlled approach is to select Disable All Macros with Notification, so that you get to choose which to run, or Enable All Macros except digitally signed macros. 4. Run the migration in safe mode. Sometimes add-ins or other conflicting elements interfere with the process. Try starting Access in safe mode. This disables add-ins and starts Access with minimal features. To do this, search for Access in your Start menu, and hold the Control key while you click Access. Then attempt your data migration again. This helps determine if an add-in is the culprit. 5. Check for database corruption. If none of the above works, the Access database itself might be corrupted. A corrupted database can lead to various issues, including the action blocked error. Try using Access's built-in compact and repair utility, File Info Compact and Repair. If that doesn't work, consider creating a new database and importing the data from the old one piece by piece to avoid further corruption. 6. Consider alternative migration methods. If all else fails, you might consider using a third-party database migration tool or a different method entirely, such as exporting data to a CSV file and then importing it into your target system. Remember to always back up your data before attempting any major database operations, including migration. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. By systematically working through these steps, you should be able to resolve the action blocked by disabled mode error and successfully migrate your data.